Okay, so it's time to build a charcuterie board. All you need is, well, one of the things you need is a wooden board, but I wouldn't really stress if I didn't have a wooden board. Any tray would do really. So the key to building one is to make sure that you place your bigger items on the board first. So I would start with my grilled chicken. I've already grilled it. I'll just cut it up on my chopping board. So I'll just place that somewhere here, and then always place items that complement each other close to themselves. So in this case, I have 2 dips. I have like a spicy mayo dip, so I'll just put that here. A selection of cheeses here. Next thing I'll put on my board is my Gouda cheese. I'll just slice up a good chunk of it and then place it somewhere on my board. So I'll place my cheese here. Next thing I'll place my prawns here. Just try to make them look really pretty. I'm also going to be adding some plantain because this is like culture fusion. Just adding it like so. These are grilled, or rather roasted plantains, by the way. Just have your creative juices flowing. The next thing would be some spring rolls. So I'll just put them right close to where I have my dips. I'll add another block of cheese now. Just slice that up neatly into a nice triangle. And just place that right here. So I'll add some turkey slices at this point. Feel free to roll it however you like, and then just look for a tiny bit of space on your board. I'll also be adding some salamis. My absolute fave, like some smoked salmon slices. They're a bit ripped, but would make it work. So I'll just put that right here. Just roll them in little pipes or little squares. Because I'm extra, I decided to add some corn to this, because who doesn't love some sweet corn? Roasted sweet corn, by the way. Please make sure your placement works for you. You don't want somebody picking up something and then everything just falls over. What's a charcuterie board without some crackers? I mean, we have the cheese on there, so we'll add some crackers into the mix, just right beside the cheese. As always, I would like to put a Hungry Dolphin spin on this by building a boneless burger. So all you need is a little meatball, some lettuce, and half of a tomato slice. So I'll just put the lettuce on top of the burger and then top that up with the tomatoes and put that in a skewer, and you have a mini burger. Repeat the process for as many as you would like. So I'm going to add a chocolate dip and some strawberries. Just put that round, as many as you can fit in there. Oops. Yeah, everything went in. So I decided to stack my crackers instead because they kept falling off. So just put that in a stack. I'll also be adding my mayo and parsley dip. Just be careful so that nothing spills over. And then we'll have more fruits. I'll be adding some raspberries, just a few of those, some blackberries, and some blueberries. You can just fit that any way you can. Doesn't have to be on the fruit. You can put it around just to give it a little bit of color. I also like to have bread handy, just because some of us can't survive the earth without having some bread. I'll just put the butter right beside it, and then I have some ham rolls or some ham. Just put that right beside it, just in case anybody decides to make themselves a sandwich or two. It's also nice to have some chips on the platter. These are just some regular chips. I'm going to add another dip right there, a block of cheese right beside our ham, and then the last thing is going to be a salsa fresca. So it's basically a mixture of, we have some onion in here, we'll add in some capsicum, so that's red, a little bit of yellow, and then some green capsicum. So figured this is too small, so I'll tip it into another bigger one. Actually add a bit more, just add all my peppers, not all of the yellow. A pinch of salt, and a little bit of lemon juice, and then just give that quick mix. And there you have it, the salsa. I always bring this out when my guests arrive, so they can get started on anything. Don't forget to bring in your bread and your chips. What's a Christmas party without some wine and some juice? Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell up there so that you are notified each time we upload a new video. Thank you so much. Bye.